2 videos ago, we ended up doing the front lip on the CLK. It turned out amazing. And from this video, we've got side skirts to install on the CLK. I'm super excited, I'm super pumped. The only thing about this modification is I'm gonna have to do a little bit of some modifications to it in order for it to fit on here, and I'll explain why. But I bit the bullet. I was like, why not? Like, no one's making any side skirts for the CLK. I looked all over eBay, and a lot of the stuff there, they're pretty cheap and they come in pieces. I couldn't really find a single side skirt, but I'll explain more details into which side skirt I got and what modifications I'll be doing here in order for it to fit on the CLK. So stay tuned on this video. If you guys do actually end up following the same process as I did, this is pretty much what you would have to do. You would have to take out both wheels in order to get this to fit on here. I think this is worth it. Some of you might think it's not worth it, but this is probably the best quality side skirt you could ever get, especially if you have the AMG sports package. Also, you're gonna need a second person to help you install this just because of, you know, the fitment and all that. So it's not bad when you have another person helping you out here. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bottom here, like how we did with the front lip. I will go ahead and clean it off with some rubbing alcohol, just the bottom, so it's clean, so it can stick. I've got some 3M tape that I'll be putting on the side skirts as well, and I've got some screws that I'll be using as well, just to hold on so it doesn't ever fall off. I thought I was recording, but this is what I have for the side skirts. Just pretty much 3M tape all around. That's the reason why I left this much space between the others, but obviously I'll get to it later. I do have some screws here that I'm going to be using as well with the side skirts. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but these will be a great addition with the 3M tape. Check it out. This is how the side skirts is looking. Oh yeah, ignore the caliper right here because I'm gonna be redoing that. But you can also tell here, I'll explain. This is looking really good. Oh yeah. I'm liking how this is turning out. So this extra part right here, I'm gonna Dremel off real quick and I'll show you guys after how it looks like. Guys, it is hot out here. I'm gonna try and get as much details to you guys as much as possible. I seriously love how the side skirts has really transformed the car. It makes it look a lot lower also. I knew this thing needed a side skirt so bad because of the front lip. I mean, to be honest, the front lip just alone wasn't bad at all, but the side skirts really completes it. Now, I don't know. I was thinking, should I get the rear bumper side skirts also? Because I think if we add that also, that would really complete the look. But the side skirts look really, really good. But what do you guys think? Bumper side skirt or just leave it like this? I think it would look really good with a bumper side skirt. Also, I've got Monica filming over there because I surprised her with new wheels. So if you guys want to go check out the setup on her Jeep, it's actually really nice. Back to the side skirts. So this side skirt right here, this is actually a Suvneer side skirt for the W211 E55s. I know, crazy, right? This is a CLK500, and I went with an E55 side skirt. It's up to you guys if you guys end up doing it. Unfortunately, like, they don't make any side skirts for the CLK, so I was like brainstorming. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'll just buy it and then do the modification and then slap it on the CLK. And it turned out really, really great. As you guys can see, I mean, to be honest, from the end all the way to the front, fits perfectly. And then this end right here, you guys saw what I did on the video. I had to cut it, and then at the end piece of the lip, I actually added this side to it because I didn't want to leave it like that. But that's pretty much all you would have to do, is to just line it up. And it's probably like, it extended about this far. You would just cut it and then cut the side piece on and slap it on it. But I mean, that's up to you guys if you guys want to do that. But that's what I ended up doing. I just couldn't find side skirts for the CLK500, and this was the only option. And I'm happy with it, actually. It looks fantastic on the car. So if you guys want to do it, you know, it's up to you. But man, this looks really, really, really good. And what do you guys think? Should we add the extended bumper side skirts to complete the look? Because I think it would look really, really good. I mean, so far, like, the carbon fiber on the car is looking super good. It makes the car look also lowered. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna be redoing this calipers also. I'm thinking about a different color. I think it's gonna look really good. I mean, the orange looks really good, but I'll be going with a different color. But yeah, guys, the installation process is not terrible at all. Again, you would throw the lip on there. I used 3M tape and some screws, and at the end there, you would just cut it and then fit the end piece on the side skirt right there. But this is how it's looking right now. God, it makes the car look so low. Well, not really low, but it just gives it that aggressive look. Anyways, it's super hot out here. But if you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and smash the like button. Smash the like button on this video too, because so others can see it, you know, in case they want to do it. Like I said, again, you know, there's no side skirts for these cars. eBay has some really cheap side skirts. I don't even think it would even fit on this car, just because it's like in pieces. You would have to like put the pieces together. But to be honest, if you can get a universal side skirt that is just one piece, that would fit perfectly. I bit the bullet. I went with this one. I was like, you know, why not? Let me just try. No one else is trying it, so I figured I'll try it out, and it turned out great. So yeah, you guys definitely smash the like button. If you guys are new to the channel, also go ahead and subscribe. I know a lot of you are really into the channel and you've subscribed. Some of you, I know you just watch and come and go here and there. And I know you guys, the OG ones, we always communicating. So you guys definitely, if you want to join the channel, definitely subscribe. Especially hit the like button on this video, so this video can do amazing. But other than that, I'll close it here for you guys, and I'll keep you posted on more mods and updates on this car.